Hey, pizza's best friends! Welcome back to Quiz Slice. Today's challenge, guess the Italian brain rot animals, but in funky edition. We've got 35 questions and 8 seconds to decide your answer. All right, are you ready? Let the funky madness begin. First, the easy level. Start. Take a guess the first funk brain rot.
Bombardino Crocodilo.
Yoo-hoo! Great start. Bombardino Crocodilo.
Bombardino Crocodilo.
Next, who's this funk animal?
Trallallero, trallallà.
Trallallero trallala. My favorite ever.
Trallallero, trallallà.
Time for the next funk brain rot.
Assassini cappuccino.
Cappuccino assassino. I think I can hear it all day.
Assassini cappuccino. No.
Would you rather trallallero trallala or cappuccino assassino?
Trallallero, trallallà.
Assassini cappuccino. No.
Let me know your answer in the comment below. Next funk brain rot. Times start now.
Un piccolo ricciolo cui spin.
Burr bicus decus.
Dedicus, un piccolo ricciolo cui spin.
Who got this one right? Let's see if you know this one.
Din meladon, din meladon, din che di la strada.
Udin din dun.
Din meladon, din che di la strada.
Time for the next funk brain rot.
Frulli frulla, un pinguino nel frulli.
Frulli frulla.
Frulli frulla, un pinguino nel frulli.
Time for the next funk brain rot. Got any ideas?
Boneca ambalabu.
Boneca Anbalabu. You're on a roll.
Boneca ambalabu.
Find the odd one out. One of these doesn't belong. Well spotted. It's here. Let's hear the next one. That's right, it's Garamarara. Yoo-hoo! Great start, my awesome friends. All right, let's drive in next level. Medium. Who's this funk animal?
Bombini Gusini, fratello Bombardino Crocodilo.
Bombini Gusini.
Bombini Gusini, fratello Bombardino Crocodilo Funk.
Guess the funk brain rot. Can you name this character?
Ballerina cappuccina.
It's Ballerina Cappuccina.
Ballerina cappuccina.
Let's hear the next one. It's Pioniero Golubiro. Can you guess this brain rot character? It's Tung Tung Sahur. Think you've got lightning reflexes? Only 0.001% can win this game. Tap the screen just right to block Tung Tung Sahur's stick attack. It's insanely tricky. Miss it and you're out. Time's up. Are you one of the legendary 0.001% who made it? Let's hear the next one. This is a challenge for true fans. Burbaloni Luliloli. What's this funk brain rot?
Rilla, elefante nel to che canto.
Lirali Larila.
Rilla, elefante nel to che canto quella.
Let's see if you can score 100%. Answer is Chimpanzini Bananini. Who got this one right? Let's see if you know this one. Trippy Troppy. Guess the real Trippy Troppy, A, B, or C. Which one is the true legend? Time's up, it's B. The real Trippy Troppy stands proud. Who's this funk animal?
Matcha latte, vre.
Matcha latte.
Matcha latte, vre.
Who's that voice? Bombardino Tralalero.
Bombardino Crocodilo.
What's this funk brain rot?
La vacca Saturno Saturnita. Saturn, la vacca.
Congrats! La vaca Saturno Saturnita. Can you guess this brain rot character?
Burrito bondito? Burrito gangsterito.
Bobrito Bandito.
Banditelli don
Time for the next funk brain rot. Got any ideas?
Bananita dolfinita ta ta ta.
Bananita Dolfinita.
Bananita dolfinita ta 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 ta.
Next level, hard. Are you sure to move on? Yo! Challenge accepted. Let's go! Find 3 differences in the picture. Look closely. Can you spot all of them before time runs out? Ready, go! Well done if you got them all. How many did you find? Tell us in the comments. Can you name this funky critter?
Galeritas dicen, trala.
Mentagum tralalaritas, you're on fire.
Galeritas dicen, trala.
Name that funk animal.
Lorbo, frutto drill,
Awesome, Freddo Drillo.
frutto drill,
Can you guess this brain rot character? It's Cacto Hippopotamo. Can you spot this funk animal?
Frigo camelo buffo fardello nel centro della città.
Frigo Camelo, you rock!
Frigo camelo cammina con amore.
Identify this wild funk animal. Great job, Giraffa Celesti. Which one's this funky critter? Pee-pee potato. Who do these clues lead to? Gosini Bananini, well played.
Gusini bananini. Squawk, squawk, squawk.
Ready to guess this funky beast? Nice job! Brain rot family.
Tung Tung Sahur boneca.
Can you name the funk animal in the spotlight?
Rillallero tramalima, pollo di metanfetamina.
Trilalero Tramalima.
Rillalero tramalima, pollo di metanfetamina.
You did it, Brain Rot Champion! Thanks for playing along with our funky jungle of chaos and giggles. Want to do it all over again? There's plenty more quiz chaos waiting in the next video. Until next time, keep those brain cells dancing. Only on Quiz Slice. Goodbye!